Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how we can simply go ahead and get 4-star stickers on Monopoly Go. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. So for that matter, what you have to do is simply gonna go ahead, first of all, access your Monopoly Go on your mobile phone. Once you have done so, we're gonna tap on this option called album, where our stickers will be stored. Once you have tap on it, you can find all of the stickers. You can say we have in some of the, let's say, holiday dinner, winter traditional, we have stickers on some of them. And if you would like to get more stickers, you can tap on this vault of ours. Here in this vault, whenever we complete the vaults for us, we will be able to unlock some of the prizes, which includes the 4-star, 5-star sticker for us that we can claim. Even if to complete that vault, we have to unlock 400 net of ours and 1400 net for this third one. So for that, to complete that, we have to go back to playing, and we're gonna start playing for us to complete it. Once we have completed, we will be able to unlock the reward, which will include for us to get one of the 4-star stickers or 5-star stickers by them. There is no certain way for you to choose and get them. Other thing is, once we have got, so we're simply gonna go ahead, play it along, and go to our buildings and build some sites. Once you have completed that particular board, when we upgrade to another board, we will be able to upgrade, and within the upgrade we will be able to access some of the prizes. That way we will be able to get some of the stickers likewise as well. So, and that is the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I will be seeing you guys in our next video.